Welcome to Car Reviews, where we bring you the most exciting and luxurious vehicles from around the world. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a true masterpiece that blends elegance, innovation, and comfort for those who want to take the open road in style. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving 5-star hotel designed to give you the ultimate travel experience without compromising on performance or luxury. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, its sleek and aerodynamic design demands attention. The iconic Mercedes front grille, the striking LED matrix headlights, and the flowing body lines make it look more like a luxury SUV than a typical RV. Built on a reinforced chassis, it combines stability with smooth handling, ensuring that even long journeys feel effortless. Under the hood, Mercedes has equipped this motorhome with a powerful yet efficient hybrid engine, offering impressive torque for tackling steep inclines and a whisper-quiet ride for serene cruising. Advanced air suspension adapts to road conditions, making every mile feel like a glide. Plus, with the latest autonomous driving features, you can enjoy hands-free travel on highways, allowing you to relax and take in the scenery. Step inside, and you'll understand why this motorhome is in a league of its own. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome's interior is a showcase of craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Premium leather seating, real wood accents, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of pure elegance. The panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, while smart glass technology lets you adjust transparency for privacy at the touch of a button. The living area feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. You'll find a plush lounge with reclining seats, a high-definition entertainment system, and integrated climate control. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine. The bedroom offers a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, surrounded by soft-touch materials and soundproofing for a peaceful night's sleep. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, heated floors, and premium fixtures that rival those in high-end hotels. Technology is everywhere, from voice-controlled lighting and climate to a fully integrated infotainment system that syncs with your smartphone and wearable devices. There's even an onboard AI travel assistant that suggests scenic routes, finds nearby attractions, and helps you plan your journey in real time. Mercedes hasn't forgotten about sustainability either. Solar panels integrated into the roof help power the living space, reducing reliance on external hookups and giving you the freedom to travel off-grid while staying eco-conscious. In short, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is more than transportation, it's a lifestyle. It's for travelers who demand the best, blending the engineering excellence of Mercedes-Benz with the comfort and sophistication of a luxury home. Whether you're crossing continents or just enjoying a weekend getaway, this motorhome ensures every trip is unforgettable. If you love exploring the world without leaving behind the luxuries you cherish, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is the ultimate way to do it. Stay tuned to Car Reviews for more incredible vehicles and in-depth insights into the future of travel.